to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a cute, adorable parrot cage in Bloxburg Roblox. Sorry about that. Okay, so first you just need to go into build mode and then go to walls. Just make a wall about this long, and then up, and then here, and then color all of them actually, just color them all dark green. There we go. Dark green again. There we go. Dark green again. There we go. Also guys, you do not need advanced placing for these tips for this concept, so don't stress about this because I don't have it either. Okay, I got this idea from Fauberry, I think it was. So you could go check out her channel as well. But she did like a bunch of them, and I'm just doing one of them. So there we go. Now all you need is a hat stand. I think that's what they are. Okay, here, a twig hat stand. Just put it right here, and then you just need a poster. There you go. Just get this poster right here, put it right there. Use this, make the background of it dark green as well. There we go. And then you can just add some of these extras. You don't have to do this, it's optional, but I'm adding it. Just get a birdhouse right there, and then you can take some like grass and stuff. Also guys, I'm still doing my giveaway at 100 subscribers. I really hope to reach that sometime soon. All you need to do is like and subscribe, and you don't have to do this, but you can comment done in the comments, and then that would make me easier to find you. Or I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna do like a wheel with all of my subscribers on it, and then you can just do flower. This is optional, you don't need to put the flowers in there. I just did it. Okay, down, bring right here, place them down, really cute. And then you just need to go off build mode and come to this poster and change it to this code. I'm going to give you a code, and then you can use that code to put it right here in the image ID. So the code is 29621578080. Add, and then you should get this really cute parrot. Then just go to build mode. Just go in, and right here, and then you can just rotate this till it gets to the thing that looks like he's standing on it the best. This one looks about right, and then you just go to build, and then we can go to fences. You can use any of the tall fences, but I just picked the Titan fence because I think it looks the most like an actual bird cage. And there you go. If you enjoyed this video, just make sure to subscribe and hit the bell and the like button. So